Hello everyone, on Organic Mike 100 video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make raised bed garden using free wood from the wood pallets, and also how to fill up the raised bed garden without costing you an arm and a leg. And you can use everything and anything from your kitchen and garden to fill up half of the raised bed garden. So anyways, let's quickly go into the look of my design, and we go from there. Here we go. So this is basically the box that I built using free wood from the pallets. Actually not completely free, except for the deck screws and the 2x4 on the rims there, which costed me about $12. In any case, the wood pallets, I cut them into 1 foot length each and just stand them up vertically on the 2 rims that I built and screw them in, and you get a nice 4x8 box here. I made a total of 4 of these using probably about 11 pallets. Alright, so there are lots of videos that show you how to build a raised bed gardens, but this one is basically free, so just an idea, and it will last me maybe 3 to 5 years. Alright, so the main video today, I'm gonna show you how to fill up this thing organically and enrich the soil in this raised bed for quite a few years. So first thing is that you would collect all the kitchen waste. Like, do not throw them away, do not throw them anywhere, just collect them, put them in a safe place where animals don't get a hold of them, and then you just pour them down on the bottom along with garden leaves, branches, cardboard, papers, anything that's organic except plastic stuff, of course, and water them thoroughly. So I got about 4 inches of this rich organic materials. Okay, I water them thoroughly, and then the next 2 inches I fill up with just topsoil, just general soil. Doesn't have to be rich. All right, and the last 4 to 6 inches I fill up with triple mix. That's so that I can readily grow my vegetable on it. All right, so that would reduce the amount of soil or triple mix that you have to fill up this 4x8, which probably costs you about 2 cubic feet of soil easily, and that costs a lot. In this case, it cost me total for the soil probably about anywhere from $12 to $16, I would say, roughly. And these organic materials will provide food for the worms. The worms will love them. They'll come up, eat them, and cast, and provide lots and lots of nutrients for the garden throughout this year and perhaps into next year. And I will continue on burying the kitchen stuff under grass clippings, everything. So it's quite good. So this video is basically show you how to build a very nice raised bed garden from free wood pallets, and how to fill up the garden organically. And hopefully this weekend the weather will warm up and we can start growing something in this box. Now although it has been cold outside in Canada this year, but my greenhouse is doing quite well. I have plenty of vegetable in there already. I've been cutting every day for the last 10 days for salads and general use, so I'm pretty happy. I will make another video showing you my greenhouse later. All right, ciao for now.